Okay, so everyone loves a good AI search engine these days, right?
Yeah, definitely seems like it's kind of the hot topic.
It is, we've talked about some before on this show.
Mm-hmm.
But today we're going to deep dive into a company called Perplexity.
Okay.
You heard of this one?
Yeah, I have actually. I've played around with it a bit. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're making a name for themselves because they're focused on giving you those accurate answers, but with citations too.
Right. Which is something that, a lot of the other AI search engines maybe haven't focused as much on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're really trying to build trust, I think, which is smart.
Yeah, for sure.
But that's not even the big news. The
Mm.
big news is they just launched this new API called Sonar.
API.
Uh,
Okay, no. For folks who aren't, super techy,
Yeah.
what is an API?
So basically, it's like this tool that lets other companies take the technology that Perplexity has built
Okay.
and use it for their own purposes.
Got it.
So imagine, instead of just going to Perplexity's website,
Right.
you're suddenly seeing their AI search pop up in all sorts of other apps and websites.
Oh, interesting. So it's kind of like they're spreading their wings a little bit.
Yeah, exactly.
Very-
It's kind of a big deal because it means this AI-powered search thing is about to become way more common.
Yeah, like integrated into our digital lives.
Exactly. And that's why we're deep diving into it today.
Makes sense.
So let's talk about this Sonar thing.
Okay.
Um, One of the things that Perplexity keeps highlighting is its focus on what they call factuality and authority.
Right.
What do you think they're getting at with that?
Well, I think it's a really smart move on their part because, let's face it, one of the big concerns around generative AI in particular
Yeah,
is that it can sometimes just make stuff up,
yeah,
hallucinate, as they say. So by focusing on connecting to real-time information from the internet,
Mhm.
pulling in those sources and citations,
Right.
it gives people a lot more confidence in the answers they're getting.
It's like showing your work in math class, right?
Exactly, exactly. You're not just giving the answer, you're showing how you got there.
And where it came from.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think that's something that's going to be really important as we all start relying more and more on these AI
Oh,
systems.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Because, it's not enough to just get an answer anymore. We need to know that it's actually, grounded in reality.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got this Sonar API, and it's all about getting those accurate answers.
Hmm.
But it's not just one.
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.